Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've never seen me before, my name is Pam, and on my channel I make hair, beauty and mom life types of videos. So if that's what you like, make sure you subscribe down below and press the notification button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about a new headband wig that is coming from wowwigs. So you guys, this is how the packaging looks. I already opened it and I was like, first of all, beautiful colors. First of all, these are pretty. So let's just get straight into what's inside this box. So in this box I have this thing. I think it's like those ones that you put like over there to just protect your edges. That's how it came inside the packaging. And I have these cute little headband. Oh my god, these cute headbands, like so obsessed. Like I love the silky one. I think in my recent video I already shared like something like so silky, like it's gonna protect your edges. And I love this one because it's like one of my favorite colors. I love these colors, like these are just my colors. And also I got the brush. I think this is like the edge control brush. It just has like two sides, that side, the brush, and a little cute comb over there. And you also get like all the things that you have to learn about the hair and all different types of headband wigs that if you like you can go ahead and purchase. And over here you have like hair care tips to take care of your beautiful hair. So let's just get straight into the main. So this is the cute packaging. Oh my god, cute. How cute is this? This is so cute. So I'm just gonna open it. I like this packaging because it's easy for you to store your wigs. It's gonna be easy for you to like take it off, put it back, and just use it again. So this wig came like this, and it's an 18-inch over there, and it says 100% virgin hair. Ew. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Let me just take this off. I feel like this is like the highest quality of hair that I have gotten like on the headband wigs. I have shared synthetics, I have shared 100% human hair, but I feel like this is the highest quality of headband wigs that I have ever gotten. And thank you so much wowwigs for sending me this hair. I appreciate it. And let's just get straight into styling. So you have two combs. I think you have three combs. Yep, three combs. And you have one comb in the back there. And I'm just gonna take this off. I just need to find the scissors and take this off. Okay, BRB. Talk about how full this headband wig is. Like, guys, just look at the fullness and the texture. Whoa, pretty. And you have that. I think I forgot to mention it has this headband over there, the one that you adjust there. So I'm just gonna put it on and secure it. And I kind of already laid down my edges. I'm just gonna put it on. Let's see. I think if you want, you can go ahead and wear this thing like on the edges. I am not sure how to wear it. I need to figure it out. So I'm not gonna share that. But I think if you know how to use it, you can go ahead and use it. So gently, I'm gonna push this first comb down over here. And then I'm gonna press the other comb like over there. Wait, I think I'm gonna skip this one. I'm gonna wear this one in the end. so that I just secure the wig. So all you have to do is just secure it like in the back like that. Oh my god, you guys, oh my god, let's just fix it. Let's fix everything up properly. Let's fix it. Okay, so the wig is secure, like it's not going anywhere. So right now we're just gonna see what we can do about all this. Oh my god, like if you're a lazy person like me, sometimes I can just stop over here like, girl, we done and we out the door. But let's just, you know, customize a little, like, you know, the wig. I'm just gonna add this headband. Then boom, like I said, I already did my edges, so I don't need to do much about that. But I'm just gonna, you know, like stretch the hair a little bit so that we can show some volume. Oh my god, guys, this is it. This is the hair for me. I feel like every headband wig that I have ever reviewed, I always hype it up. But you know, like I'm not kidding. Like I'm not kidding. I'm just sharing how I feel, like my exact emotions at that point. So this is how it's looking. If you want, like I said, you can stop over here. So honey, honey, honey. Okay, let's just see what else we can do with this wig. I think I'm gonna add like a little water so that we can see how it can look with the wet look. I love the wet look. I always say that, like, yeah. So let's just see if we can do some water to the hair and see if it's something that you would go for. So I'm gonna add a little water. Like I said, we're using my water bottle, you know, just to moisturize and see if we can, you know, just get the curls more popping. Like, honey, honey, could never, like could never. I love me some, like, ooh, why am I putting water on my face? Sometimes I'm so overhyped. Like, oh my god. Honey, honey, let me add a little more water, just, you know. Honey, 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 honey. Honey, I keep saying honey, honey, but guys, this is how the hair is looking. Like, this is so me, and my hands are just going like, you guys, I have no shading whatsoever. It's so amazing, so amazing. Let's see if you can style it, like, you know, just try to style it. You guys, like, if you are a little extra, you can go ahead and style it the way you want. I feel like it gives you so many options to move it around. Like, if you want, you can go ahead and pull it up and put it over here, like in a half up, half down kind of situation. Like, it gives you options to just move it around. But today I'm not feeling any of those things. I'm just happy that this hair looks this fine. This hair looks so fine. This hair is totally me. I love big hair. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Anyways, if you want, you can pull it in the back like that, like all of it in the back like that. You guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like my headband wigs. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.